Hi, this is Lee from EasyLights.com. This tutorial video will walk you through the steps needed to connect your EasyLights controller to your home's wireless network. For this tutorial, I'm using an Apple laptop to complete the setup, but the process is similar on Windows, Android, and iOS devices. You may use any Wi-Fi enabled smartphone, tablet, or computer to complete the EasyLights controller's wireless network setup. When your EasyLights controller is in wireless setup mode, it will create and broadcast a new open wireless network with the name EasyLights. Connect your smartphone, tablet, or computer to this EasyLights wireless network. In my case, I select EasyLights from the drop-down list of my computer's Wi-Fi status icon. Once your smartphone, tablet, or computer is connected to the EasyLights wireless network, open a web browser, type in 192.168.4.1 and press enter to go to that page. That number is the address of the Wi-Fi setup page for the EasyLights controller itself and is the same for all EasyLights controllers in Wi-Fi setup mode. When that page loads, it will display a list of access points that your EasyLights controller has found in the area. If the name of your home wireless network is displayed in the list, click the button beside its name to select it. If your home wireless network is not displayed, click the button beside None Found and click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to perform a new scan. Repeat that scan process as necessary until the correct wireless network shows up in the list. For this example, my home network is conveniently named My Home Network for this tutorial, and it's listed here, so I'll select it. Once you have selected the correct wireless network, type in the password for that network in the password box at the bottom. Again, for this tutorial, my password is just password, but I hope yours is a bit more original. Once you have selected the correct network and entered the correct password, press Submit to apply those settings. You'll then be directed to a new page. Wait here about 10 seconds and then press the button labeled Test for Connection. If everything is correct, your EasyLights controller will report that it has an active connection to the internet. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the wireless network setup of your EasyLights controller. You may now close the browser. When you're finished, make sure to switch your smartphone, tablet, or computer back to your home's wireless network. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.